The Food Service Exchange presents.
Joining me today is Bill Verity, president of Crown Verity Barbecues in Brantford. Bill, what are you going to cook for me today?
Oh, hi, Murray. We're going to do salmon. I call it V salmon. It's lemon dill salmon, but first I'm going to wash my hands before I touch anything.
Right.
The Crown Verity portable sink. We've got hot and cold running water. Got a little soap here.
Is that ever handy?
So what we're going to do the lemon dill salmon. So I've got a lot of nice dill weed here.
Right.
We've got some nice fillets of salmon. Beautiful Atlantic salmon.
Beautiful.
We're going to put this down. So let's just.
Did you want to put oil on that first, Bill? Or do you put it on after?
Yeah, I just drizzle a little on underneath. Or actually, we could put a little on right now.
Yeah.
Give it a little color.
Oh, that's beautiful. What a beautiful piece of salmon. Oof.
Now, we've got our sliced lemons. We'll just layer these down. This is very, very simple with the salmon. I like to cook it at about 400.
Oh, we got about 4 1/4. Do you want down a bit?
By the time we open it, we'll let a little bit of heat out.
May I be of some help to you?
So we're just going to put this on skin side down.
Very nice. Oh, listen to it sizzle.
Oh, there's one for the dog.
One for Betsy. You should always have a dog around your barbecue. Keeps
So
the
we're going
area
to
clean.
we've got this middle burner off, and we've got these two. I think I'll turn this one off also.
Good idea. And look at that, Bill. Bill, I notice here that it's sweating a bit. That would tell you that that's
Yes,
almost
it's
done,
almost-
isn't it? And you can
almost
see
done.
right in here that it's almost done. That's fabulous.
So what we've done here, Mer, we've marinated these, or marinated, I guess I should
That's,
say.
oh, what a memory.
We've got olive oil, lemon, and I put a few peppers in here for color, and a couple of lemons, and sea salt. And I let that marinate at room temperature for 3 or 4 hours.
Oh,
and
that'll
then
be
we'll
delicious.
grill these, and these will grill up in about 3 or 4 minutes. And it's a completely different taste profile than a steamed or a boiled.
It would be. The grilling alone would give it that
yeah.
different profile.
And another thing I've done here, I've peeled all the stems, I break them and peel them, and
noticed that.
it makes them a little bit more
at
tender.
Nice peel on it. See that in the end there? Real nice peel on that. And then you don't get the chewiness, do you,
That's
Bill?
right, yeah, it just makes them a little more tender.
I'll trade you sides here and you can...
Okay, so we're just going to put these on. There we go.
And that won't hurt them at all. That's good flavor. That's great.
That's the olive oil flaring up.
Yep.
Put some peppers on here.
And the beauty of a Crown Verity is you get that flare up, but it quickly goes down. You don't have it lasting because of the flavor bars. So there'll be no burning.
We've got 5 radiants on this.
Yeah.
As I say, I just usually throw a few peppers in here, and that colors it up.
Yeah.
And we've got some lemon rind in here.
Very nice.
Adds a little flavor.
Great.
There we go.
Great.
So we're going to let that go for about 4 minutes, Murray, and the salmon will be ready at the same time. So we're going to lift the salmon off, put it on the platter, then we'll get the asparagus, and we're ready
You have to roll those asparagus at all to get the other side, or they just...
We'll roll
roll
those
them?
around,
Great.
yes.
Okay.
Murray, this entree is such a great dish because you can have it cold the next day. Cold salmon with cold asparagus and cold veggies. You can do a side of cold potato salad.
That'd be great.
It's fantastic cold.
You could even put it into a pasta, couldn't you, Bill? The salmon.
Perfect.
Be great.
It's perfect. Okay, Murray, what we're going to do now, I'm going to get you to hold the platter.
Got it.
And we're going to come in, we leave the skin on here.
Oh, that's interesting.
And go underneath
Oh, look
here.
at that peel right off.
It'll peel right off.
Brilliant.
Okay, you
Here I
ready?
come. That's where I am.
Just
Beautiful.
lift that off, and you see that the skin is stuck right to the grill.
Look at that. This is not a well done salmon, is it, Bill? It's,
No, I like salmon on the medium rare
Yeah.
side. That's just me personally.
can really
Everyone's
see
a little
that.
bit different. So now, why don't we just sprinkle a little bit more dill weed on here?
Great. Very nice.
And,
Now, Bill, you didn't add any salt or pepper.
well, I always like people to add their own. You can put a little sea salt on the
Great.
salmon if you wish. Some people don't like that.
That's right.
Why don't we get the asparagus off, Mer, and we'll put it right on the platter.
Perfect. Would you like me to bring the platter back over, Bill?
There we go. We'll get that there.
Very nice. Beautiful. This is typically what you cook at the cottage, Bill?
Absolutely.
Oh boy. And as you said, we could have had a glass of wine while we were waiting for this to cook. Good
Well,
10 minutes, you can walk away
you
from
can
the
walk
grill.
away and have a nice cold drink.
Yeah. Perfect.
And what we're going to do here, Mer, we're just going to crank the heat up a little bit here, and it'll burn the skin a little, and it'll be quite easy to get off.
Very nice. Look at the color on that, Bill. That's beautiful.
Why don't you have a little piece of tail here? It might be the only tail you get today.
Will you join me with a little taste?
Absolutely.
Great. There you go, Bill.
Thanks, Mer.
Well, this looks delicious. Remember to eat, drink, and be merry. Thanks, Bill. Ooh.